Right? Okay, so lots of kids get confused with all these different letters, like GCF and another one, LCM, because they look the same. And LCM just means least common multiple. And when I'm talking about multiples, I'm talking about making many copies. So sometimes it looks like repeated addition. For example, if I want the multiples of 4, it's as if I'm going to keep on adding 4 each time. Because I'm making multiple copies of the same thing. So 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 4 is 20. Those are multiples. However, sometimes in math we're going to need the least common multiple of two numbers. So let's say I have 5, and let's see, what's another good number? Let's say the number 12. Let's say I have these two numbers, and I want the LCM. Make sure you're looking, what do I want? Is it a GCF or an LCM? If it's a GCF, I have to do factors. But because I want multiples, I'm making many of them. So I'm going to put 5 and 12. And this is the problem. It still looks like factor rainbows. So you have to keep reminding yourself, multiples. And I'm going to start with my 5s. And again, I'm just skip counting. And what some kids do is they start asking themselves, is 12 a multiple? No, these aren't the 12 times tables yet. Some kids can't do that, so they just have to list their 12 times tables. And that's okay, whichever one you're ready for, whichever one you need to do. I don't see anything in common yet. So I'm going to take the smaller number, and I'm going to extend that line. So 30, 35, 40, 45. Still nothing yet, so I have to keep on going. I need a longer line. So 50, 55, 60. Now I found one. So when you don't see a common multiple, take a smaller number and keep on going until you catch something, until you find something they have in common. They both have a 60, so 60 is the least common multiple of both numbers.